B2B, I think decision making is not purely logical, it is also on the base of fear. So if people, they are buying something that they already know that it is, if you have an option to buy a cheap, if you have an option to buy a cheap version versus a premium version, so what happened is that, in that B2B sales, you will go for the better version because you have always have that fear that, a better quality product, a better price product would be better. So that is something that, that comes in between. And it, so well known brand is something that minimizes the risk and it actually protects the reputation. So this is how, the emotions, it's sometimes they are, I mean, the logics are being override by the emotions in B2B. Fear, then of course the patterns of buying from from the same companies. If even if better options are there, but if they're already doing and they're comfortable, they would not like to switch. They have that hormone, the safety serotonin in them, that they don't want to, do not want to shift to another brand. So herein, I think, yes. And you asked me how the, if correct me if I'm wrong, how the leaders can use it, I think, right?
Yes, yes.
So I think leaders can use it by, I think, they can show the videos, the credibility, and they can demonstrate the reliability of those brands that we are already using. So suppose, like, I'm into a B2B brand, Tough Food. So my competition is Tata Pravesh. So of course, people, they, we are still getting big, but Tata Pravesh already has a brand reputation. The people do definitely show to us that we're using Tata Pravesh. It's a reliable, Tata is a reliable, Tata and reliability